everybody, we're the Wisco Wheeler YouTube channel, and today we're making a quick chickpea stew. It's a healthy, low-calorie option coming in at less than 250 calories a serving. It has 28 grams of fiber, 9.6 grams of protein. This recipe makes 6 servings. If you would like more recipes like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button. You'll start out by melting 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter in a large pan over medium heat. Add 3/4 cup of sliced carrots. 1/2 cup of sliced celery. And 1/3 cup of chopped onion. Season that with salt and pepper or your favorite seasoning. Then you're going to cover and cook for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, you'll remove the lid and saute until the vegetables are tender. That'll probably be another 6 to 7 minutes. Then you'll add 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Saute the garlic for about 2 minutes until you start to smell it, the aroma of it, and you can tell that it's cooking. Add 3 cups of chicken stock, 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and 1/8 ounce can of tomato sauce, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, and 2 15-ounce cans of chickpeas that you have already drained and rinsed. Go ahead and bring this to a boil, and once it starts boiling, turn down the heat. Then you'll simmer it for 20 minutes and stir that occasionally. After the 20 minutes, add 1 12-ounce can of corn that has been drained. Add 3 cups of chopped kale. I like to buy the pre-chopped kale in a bag. If you do that, be sure to remove any thick stem pieces. Then you'll go ahead and simmer until the kale is tender. If you would like to keep this vegetarian, instead of using the chicken broth, you can go ahead and use a vegetable broth. I will add the recipe included in the comments below. I like to serve mine with a dollop of sour cream and a sprinkle of cayenne. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, be sure to let us know and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next recipe.